Welcome this video. Wall plant for indoor versatile succulent gardening. Indoor versatile gardening are a great way to bring some gardening into your home and succulent are the perfect plants for those type of gardening. Then low main interest style and can live in smart space. We explore some create wall plants idea for indoor versatile succulent gardening. Benefit of indoor versatile succulent gardening. Smart space indoor succulent gardening are perfect for smart space such as apartment. Low main interest succulent are easy to care for and request main water and proof static appear indoor. Succulent gardening can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. Thank you for watching this video.